Young Money. I don't know why that never gets old. That never gets old. Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning in to Young Money Investments. My name is Cameron Bennion, and we are going to cut this really quick so it's not super loud during the video here. So I wanted to do a quick video. It is like midnight. It is like 12:20 my time. I am PJ'd up right now, as you can tell. But I wanted to do a quick video because of Tesla and everything. As you can see, I'm obviously a Tesla fan. I might be a little bit more biased the opposite way than the sentiment that I'm going to talk about today for Tesla. But I really think it's important to talk about Tesla and the way mainstream media is viewing them right now. If you've noticed recently, Tesla has been obviously pummeled, coming off of highs right around probably 350-ish, down to lows right now of 240-ish. I want to say it's almost sold off probably 33% since we've had this flash crash, as I kind of like to call it. But there's some interesting things as I was kind of looking here on my iPad and everything like that. I just in Google News kind of was pulling everything up here. Tesla Week, Media Death Watch, Bankruptcy Charter, VP Sites, blah, 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 blah. Fatal Crash, Stock Slide Keeps Tesla's Name in the Headlines. Tech Today, Spotify's Curious Listing, Sky's Not Falling on Tesla. Different stuff about the Tesla Semi. Tesla carrying $10 billion in debt, must recharge finances to make blah, 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 blah. Tesla quadruples Model 3 output. There is a lot of stuff in the news recently about Tesla and about bankruptcy and about how they are going to be bankrupt and just all these crazy things. And the mainstream media wants to see Tesla fail. So this video is kind of going to be about that. Now, obviously, you guys probably know by this point that I am still heavily invested in the swing trade that I'm doing on Tesla right now. The thing is the reality is with Tesla right now, it is, I mean, it's just crazy the kind of stuff that the mainstream media is putting out there. You think about the fact that they are talking about a crash with a Tesla vehicle all over national headlines, and you think about how many Toyotas or how many Hondas or how many Fords or GMCs or Chevrolet models get in car accidents every single day. Yet we don't talk about that. We're not over here talking about that my Honda got in a car crash and, you know, it spells out doomsday for the company. Yet with Tesla, we are talking about a crash and how it deserves to make the stock just plummet. We have garbage hedge fund investors. The guy that's been going on about how Tesla will be bankrupt in a year has a $25 million hedge fund. Now, maybe to you guys it's a lot of money, but in the hedge fund world, we're talking billions of dollars is what a true successful hedge fund manager will manage in assets. This dude's got $25 million and he's over here talking about how Tesla's going to go bankrupt in a year. Another thing that's important to kind of think about with Tesla is the fact that advertising. If you consider mainstream media, I like to think about two mainstream media sources. We talk about radio, actually three: radio, print, and TV advertising. Those are all kind of going the way of the dinosaur. Those are really changing and being reshaped right now in the world of advertising. And if you actually look at it, I think the number 3 advertiser is GMC or Chevrolet being kind of the main one. I believe number 6 is Ford, and I believe number 8 or 9 is Chrysler, Fiat, Dodge. I could be wrong on the last one. Don't quote me on that one. But I know 3 of the top automakers are all some of the largest advertisers and spend somewhere around $40 billion every year on advertising. And so you have to stop and think about this. If more and more companies stop advertising, more and more of the other advertisers are going to stop advertising as well. The reason, for example, Super Bowl commercials can be $4 million or $3 million for a 30-second ad, it's because of the demand for those. And so I guess Tesla is doing something very different. Tesla is doing something that none of these other manufacturers are able to put out and to do. And so it's really interesting. It's interesting to see how mainstream media wants and needs Tesla to go bankrupt. And the reality is Tesla is a great company. Tesla, whether you're a believer in green energy, or you're a believer in global warming and those kinds of things, it really is inconsequential. But Tesla is addressing those problems. It's addressing our world's need for clean energy. Elon Musk is a visionary. He really is probably one of the brightest men to ever grace our planet. Again, personal opinion here, obviously, right? But you combine that with also the fact that these vehicles are good, and the company he's created other billion-dollar businesses. You're really betting against the future, and you're betting against a visionary if you're betting against Tesla. Yet mainstream media is wanting to do just that. So I wanted to make this quick video and kind of give you guys some food for thought. Like I said, whether it be a swing trade or whether it be long, I am a firm believer in Tesla, and I think you're really betting against the future. I mean, Tesla just came out today saying that they are not going to need to raise more debt. They're not going to need to raise any additional funding or anything like that. So that had obviously helped propel Tesla stock and everything like that. Today it was up, I want to say 6.5% at one point. I did take a slight sell-off in my Tesla position, about 10K. Just to kind of recoup some profits, take a little bit of profits off the table, not a whole lot. But, at the end of the day, yeah, I think it's kind of crazy, the witch hunt that we are on for Tesla and everything. So just my opinions, guys. I just wanted to share that really quick and kind of give you guys some more insight. I kind of have similar feelings about Facebook right now and with the massive sell-off that they have had. But I'm not going to get more into that right now. So anyway, those are my thoughts on Tesla. Thanks so much for tuning in. Forgive the PJs and everything like that. But have a great day, and we'll do another video tomorrow. Bye. And I'm rolling. Hey everybody, so thanks so much. You guys probably just finished up watching that video from last night with me in my PJs and everything. I wanted to do a quick little video because how interesting it is with what's happened with Tesla today. So as most of you know, if you follow me on Instagram, at CamBen23, at CAMBEN23, you probably noticed that I had a heck of a day. I'm up, well shoot, I mean I'm actually, after market hours, I'm up a total of like almost $8 on the day. So this is actually probably one of my top, this is for sure one of my top 3 trading days. And a lot of that I owe to Tesla's success. Tesla is up today a total of 7.26%. It's trading at $287 per share. Pre-market hours, it was trading as low as $253. So overall today, Tesla has fluctuated a total of 13.45% roughly. And I mean, that's freaking, it's amazing. Like, it really is something crazy. I mean, today I've made a total of, looks like about $4,500, almost $4,600 on Tesla alone. So good news. Like I said, I mean, betting against Tesla is not a good idea. There's a lot of short sellers out there that are trying to short Tesla, and I'll be honest with you, I do not think that's a good idea. So it will approach resistance. I expect tomorrow for there to be a little bit of a sell-off. Whenever a company has that much momentum and gain, there probably will be a little bit of a sell-off tomorrow. But I mean, like I'd said a week ago, 2 weeks ago, Tesla was a buy. And I'm glad I averaged cost in on everything. So awesome day overall. Tesla's a great company as far as buying places right now. Again, I'm not buying a company because I'm not buying Tesla necessarily because I see the long-term value in them. I do see long-term value. So if you want to invest in them as a long-term company, I think they're still at a great price point. They're not overvalued where they're at right now. But with my swing trades and everything like that, I normally don't have a $75,000 position in a company. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and talk to you guys later. Bye.